I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select actions. Albedo. Give here the webhook link. So visit Albedo dashboard. New. Click on plus icon and choose Sender App Webhook. Choose Event. Choose Webhook account. Add a trigger. Click on Webhook Catcher and copy the webhook link. Wait for webhook. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Albedo site. And choose your desired action to receive data. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action. Choose an account. Add a connection. Grant Albedo access. Then do all the process. Choose a list. Add an action. Map the respective fields. Save. Then start the integrations. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailChimp site and here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp via Albedo. You can also see the automation log in Albedo. Thanks for watching.